Goleiros, estic preparat.
Hello viewers, this is Barça 360 and you're welcome back to the channel. So according to Xavi Miguel of ES, Barcelona coaching staff are worried about the emotional state of star forward Ferran Torres. The Spanish forward recently completed 1 year at Camp Nou but has been unable to deliver to the level expected of him following the club's €55 million investment in him. There have been signs of his quality and potential, but the former Valencia and Manchester City man has had problems with his finishing and has gradually dropped well down the pecking order at the club. Ferran Torres has been overlooked by Xavi Hernandez repeatedly of late, with the manager preferring Robert Lewandowski, Rafinha and Ousmane Dembele as his primary attacking options, with Ansu Fati also gaining prominence. The former Valencia ace did not start for Barca last night in the Spanish Super Cup semi-finals against Real Betis, but he did come on to replace Dembele in the second half. However, after being sent on, the 22-year-old struggled to make any sort of impact and was constantly losing possession, which in turn allowed the opponent to gain a greater foothold. Furthermore, Xavi and his staff did not choose him for the penalty shootout either, with Xavi revealing in his post-match presser that Marcos Alonso was the fifth penalty taker for Barcelona last night. This is an indicator of the way the coaching staff currently see Ferran Torres, who had been handed penalty duties last season and was also one of the takers for the Spanish national team at the FIFA World Cup last year. As per Xavi Miguel, there is a serious concern regarding Ferran Torres and his emotional state among the club's coaches. With a spotlight on him, the former Manchester City forward will need to pull up his socks and deliver on his potential in the coming months. If not, there could be a possibility that Barca might listen to offers for him in the summer given their fragile financial situation and his constant underwhelming displays. So that will be all for now. If you like this video, may consider hitting on the like button, subscribe and share as well. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next video.